Since it's 2026, the US audience has moved past the what is ChatGPT phase. They are now obsessed with AI agents, physical AI, robotics, and the economic impact of AGI, artificial general intelligence. For 15 years, our lives have been dictated by the app economy. Need a ride? Open Uber. Want food? DoorDash. Need to book a flight? Spend 3 hours comparing tabs on Expedia. But in 2026, the app is dying. And what's replacing it isn't just a smarter chatbot, it's something far more disruptive. It's called an AI agent. While you were sleeping, AI stopped just talking to us and started acting for us. See this? A year ago, this prompt would have given you a checklist. Today, the AI logs into your email to check the dates, scans your bank account for a budget, books the United flight, reserves the Airbnb, and even sends a gift from your cousin's registry. This is a shift from generative AI to agentic AI. We've moved from tools that write poems to entities that possess agency. In the US alone, 40% of digital tasks are now being handled by autonomous agents. The question isn't, can AI do my job? It's, does my job even need an interface anymore? But here's where it gets controversial. If an AI agent can browse the web, click buttons, and spend money better than you can, what happens to the internet? Marketing experts are calling it the dead web theory 2.0. If bots are buying from bots, who are the ads for? The titans of the old world, Google, Meta, Amazon, are in a Red Queen's race. They have to build the very agents that will eventually stop users from ever visiting their website. It's a $15 trillion suicide pact. So, where does that leave us? As the boring digital tasks vanish, the value of physical and hyperhuman experiences is skyrocketing. In a world where AI can manage your digital life perfectly, your humanness is the only currency that can't be automated. We are living through the most significant shift in human productivity since the Industrial Revolution. We aren't just using computers anymore, we're supervising them. The App Store is a graveyard. The agent is the new OS. The real question is, when your AI agent saves you 20 hours a week, what are you actually going to do with your life? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.
Follow for more AI secrets. Like and subscribe Future IQ to get ahead from others.